Wow, is it a bright, sunny Monday morning in the lovely sunshine state of Florida? Whoa, I'm going to try to show you the street quickly because it is bright and hot out today. Hi, my name is Karina Danager. I'm with Keller Williams here in Melbourne, Florida. I'm standing at 404 Lofts Drive in Suntree, which is directly across the way from the Suntree Country Club. So if you like to golf, looking for a great one-story home with a split floor plan and high ceilings, you want to watch this one. I'm going to flip this around and show you this nice quiet street. It's a very small, quiet, private little location. Literally, if you go out here and take a right, a quick left, you are at the country club. So quick walking, you could have a golf cart to take you around. Nice, cute, sweet homes back here. Really pretty landscaping, lush grass, really pretty two-car garage around the side, which I'll take you in a few minutes. That one is got a really great screened-in back patio, and there it is. That's the end of the street. It's a really quiet, nice, well-upkept street in the heart of Suntree. So because it's so hot, we're going to go on in because I feel like you're going to melt out here. And I do love it when the air conditioner works so great because it is nice and cold in here. So welcome home. This is such an adorable home. It's got nice high ceilings, great recessed lighting, really nice foyer when you first walk in without losing a whole lot of floor space. As soon as you come in, you're in bedroom number 3. It's up by the front of the house, currently being used as an office. It has really nice hurricane impact glass window in the front room. There is a nice closet space and then the door back out. As we continue on through the house, I want to point out again the high ceilings, really nice cathedral high ceilings. You have your dining area here, which is really sweet. And she's got a big table, by the way. This is not a little table. And so you could put really, if you want a dining room, you could have a really nice sized dining room. I love the block glass. Kind of helps shade some of that hot sun during the day and yet lets the really nice natural lighting in. You have your great room right next to it. So it's a dining room and living room combined. She just did brand new hard surface countertops and a new stainless steel sink. And I don't know if you can tell, but there is some bling in this hard surface. Over here behind this door is the laundry room, indoor laundry room, and then another door going out to the garage. Nice high ceilings, great recessed lighting. You can put a table here. They did not need an eat-in kitchen, but if you prefer not to have a dining room, if you don't need one, you could have that space open up for something else over there. Really sweet kitchen, nice counter space. You have this nice little bar there. You have your pantry there, right there. And then of course, a really nice gunmetal refrigerator. And there's a lot of room in the center. So much so that if you didn't need a table here, I think you could put a center island in if you wanted more counter space, which would be spectacular. I'm going to slip out this back sliding glass door real quick to show you the really nice screened in patio. This is awesome back here. So again, more recessed lighting, really nice. Soffits look good. The bump out screened patio was really nice. You have extra space back here. Do a little grilling and, well, enjoy living the Florida lifestyle right by the golf course. So now we're going to go back on in and we will take a quick walk over to see the other 2 bedrooms and the bathrooms. So back to the great room, dining room. Remember, bedroom number 3, there's the foyer. And we're going to pan back around. And we come in here to bathroom number 2. It is a nice walk-in shower, beautiful countertop, nice white and bright vanity, great mirror. The mirror is really cute, actually. And I love that light fixture. I actually have one of those in my house too, and I love it. All that sparkle. This is bedroom number 2. And this bedroom is very big. You can see nice high ceilings. The ceilings and the walls have all been recently painted. This is a sweet little walk-in closet. And I just want you to see this room is very big. Now as we come across, we have a linen closet between the 2 bedrooms. So there's a linen closet. And then over here's the master. I love that tray ceiling. The tray ceiling's just beautiful. Nice windows, nice and bright in here. And then we go into the master bath, which has the double sinks, a walk-in shower, a very nice soaking tub. It's really a very sweet home. So, and then of course the master has a nice walk-in closet as well. So whether you are looking for a one-story to live in full-time, you're a snowbird looking for a one-story, you're starting a family, you have a family, it's just you and the animals. This home is spectacular for everybody. My name is Karina Daninger with Keller Williams, coming to you live from Suntree, Florida. Don't wait. Give me a call. This one will be on the market tomorrow. Have a great day.